Today we are going to design FSM for the set of strings starting with 0 over binary number system 0, 1. Now the first step that we have to design FSM. For designing FSM we need machine function, state function. In that we need I, S and O. So first of all we should know what is I. I is given in the question sigma equal to 0, 1. That is, this is a binary number system. Now we have to generate I in detail. For generating I in detail, we should know the closure of sigma. So the closure of sigma we can find out by using this formula. Sigma closure is equal to this formula. Now after finding this thing, we are going to get all the strings. Now we are going to combine all the strings together in one set. And after this, out of this set of strings, we are going to interested only the strings which are starting with 0. So only the strings which are starting with 0, like 0, 0, 0, 1. Whether the 0 is according to our question, yes, starting with 0. Whether a 1 is starting with 0, no, it is not our according to the question. 00 is according to the question. 01 is our required string. 000 is also required string. 001 is also required string. 010, 011. 100 is not according to the question because the string is starting with 0. So what we are going to do, whatever we had marked as correct tick, that we are going to combine together and we are going to give them name as state Q0. So state Q0 include all the strings which are having the similar function, similar we can say the condition that they are the beginning bit is 0. So as they are going to start with the same condition, so they had given the same state name Q0 plus they are according to the requirement. So for that they are according to requirement, that means they are according to the question. So for that we use output symbol as 1. 1 indicate yes, they are according to the given condition. Now what about the remaining strings? The strings which we had marked as cross, which are not according to our requirement. For example, 1, 11, then 100, 101, 110, 111. Again we are going to collect them together and they are not according to our question. So what we are going to give them other state as rejected state with the name as Q1 state. So Q0 is accepted state, Q1 is the rejected state. With the output no, they are not according to our question. So here we got two state. Q0 is the accepting state with the output as 1. Q1 is the rejecting. Rejection means no. So for no we are using the output as 0. So based on these two states we have output as 1 for yes, 0 for no. Plus initially when we are not going to accept either 0 or 1, that is as the beginning state. So the beginning state we are going to consider as QS. So QS will be the initial state, neither 0 or nor 1. If why we are not selected Q0? Always we are selected Q0 as an initial state, but this question is different. If we are going to select Q0 as the initial state, that means Q0 represent what? Q0 always represent, in this case, that we already have initial bit as 0. That means always your question will start with 0. That means it is not going to accept any string starting with 1. So that's why neither 0 or nor 1. So neither 0 or nor 1. QS represent which kind of output? No output. It's not going to generate any output because it is only the beginning. We are not going to consider neither 0 or 1 nor 1 because 0 is the part of your binary number system. It is itself is a string. So what we are going to do? We are going to start with the string which is not going to have any input. With no input, now if the initial bit is 0 and if the initial bit is 1. If we are going to always start with initial bit as 0, so then always whatever we are considering 0 and 1, so always the initial bit will be 0, but we don't want that. That's why we are consider initial state as QS. So QS is the initial state generating no output, neither no neither yes, because it is the state in which we have not considered any input bit. So if we are not consider any input bit, there will be no output. So here QS is the special state we can say which is not generating any output because it is not accepting any input. So QS we can consider as only the startup, only the initial, only the pushing the bits. We are waiting for the bits to arrive. As soon as the bits are going to arrive, then we are going to generate the output symbol. So how many state we are going to consider? We have considered 3 state. QS is the initial state, no input plus no output. Q0 is the state which is according to the requirement, generating output as 1, yes, according to the question. Q1 is the state in which all the rejected strings are going to be generated and generating 0 as no output. That's why for generating what you can say machine function, we have got I also, S also and O also. Now we are going to complete the machine function Q0, Q1 and QS state also. So what is QS state? We are going to add here. So QS state with 0 and 1. Okay. So QS with 0, that is the initial state. QS is nothing with the next bit as 0. That is your string is starting with 0. So QS as 0. So what is the input? Input is 0. Whether the string is according to your requirement, yes. So for yes, what is the output? Output is 1. QS with 1. QS means no output with the input 1. So QS with 1 will generate the string 1. So whether the string is according to the requirement, no. What is the output for no is 0. Now Q0. Now Q0 with 0. Q0 with 0. What is the output of Q0? Q0 represent with string. Q0 represent string 0 with the next bit as 0. So Q0 represent, not generating the output. Q0 represent with string 0 with the next bit as 0. Whether this string is accepted by your machine, yes. So for yes, we have output as 1. Now Q0 with 1. With string, not the output. With string is represented by Q0. Q0 represent the string starting with 0, for example 0, and the next bit as 1. So whether this string is accepted by your machine, yes, the string is accepted by machine. So for yes, we have 1. Now Q1. Q1 represent the string which is not accepted by your machine. So Q1 with 0. So with string, for example 1, starting with 1, not starting with 0, with the next bit as 0. So what kind of output? Output will be no. Now Q1 with 1. Q1 represent with string starting with 1 with the next bit as 1. So what is the resultant string is 1 1. Whether 1 1 is according to your question, no. For no, we are writing 0. So this is how we have completed machine function. Now the state function. So in the state function also, what we are going to do? We are going to add QS state also. So here we have Q0, Q1. Now QS is nothing, no input, no output with the next bit as 0. QS represent no string, no bit. So no bit with the next bit as 0 will make the string as 0. Make string 0 is the string which is starting with 0. So what would be the resultant state? So QS on 0 is according to your question. So this is represented by what? It is represented by Q0. Now QS with 1. QS with 1 is QS represent no string with the next bit as 1. That means this is a string starting with 1. So the string starting with 1 is marked as Q1. Now Q0. Q0 with 0. Which string is represented by Q0 starting with 0 with the next bit as 0? Okay. So what is the resultant string is 0 0. Whether this string is according to your question, yes, it is marked with Q0 string. Now Q0 with 1. Q0 represent the string starting with 0 with the next bit as 1. Which is what is the resultant string generated? It is 0 1. Whether 0 1 is according to your question, yes. So what is the state representing the yes output? It is Q0. Now Q1 with 0. So Q1, what is the output? Which string is represented by Q1 is 1 and 0. Okay. So 1 and 0 represent which kind of string? It is a string which is rejected by your FSM. For rejection, what is the state? Q1. Now Q1 with 1. Q1 represent the string 1 with the next bit as 1. So this is a resultant state. Whether a resultant state according to your question, no. That means this string will be rejected. For rejection, which is the state? Q1. This is how we are going to complete the state transition diagram. Now we are going to complete the state transition diagram. So we have started with Qs. So the Qs is the initial state, then the remaining state is Q0 and Q1. Now Qs on 0, Qs on 0, that is going, what is the output? Qs on 0 produces output 1. So this is how we are going to combine input and output, input and output, input and output. So Qs, near to that Qs we are going to write 0 and 1. Okay, what the students are doing, they are writing this input and output combination over the state. Don't write over the state, we have to write near the state. Okay, so Qs on input 0 produces output 1. Okay, that is from the machine function. Now from the state function, Qs on 0, where it is going? Qs on 0 is going to Q0. So like this. Now Qs on 1, Qs on 1, Qs on 1, this is the input. What is the output? Is 0. This the output is 0. Input, output, input, output. Don't write in the reverse format. Qs on 1 produces output 0. This is from the machine function. What about the from the state function? Qs on 1 goes to Q1 state, goes to Q1 state. Now Q0, Q0 on 0, Q0 on 0. What is the output? Output is 1. Q0 on 0 produces output 1. Q0 on 0, where it is going? It is going to itself. Q0 on 1 produces output 1. Q0 on 1 produces output 1. Where it is going? Where it is going from the state diagram? It is going to Q0 on 1 goes to itself only. Now Q1, Q1 on 0 produces output 0. Q1 on 0 produces output 0. Where it is going? Q0, Q1 on 0 goes to itself, goes to itself. Q1 on 1 produces output 1, produces output 0. Where it is going? Q1 on 1, it is going to Q1 itself. So this is how we have completed FSM for binary numbers starting with 0.